The cuts to education and healthcare are very significant. Together, those cuts make up almost half of the state's total operating reductions. Let's start with education, which has been a hot topic of discussion in recent days and weeks as the Clark County School District looks to reopen under unprecedented circumstances. This bill would cut $158 million from the state's Department of Education, money that would have gone to programs like the new Nevada Education Funding Plan. This was the plan introduced last year to overhaul Nevada's education funding formula. At the time, the oldest in the country. That program could lose almost $70 million. The other major budget cut in this bill could come to the Department of Health and Human Services, a cut of more than $213 million. And this is right in the middle of a pandemic. $6.4 million of that in Medicaid. During the session today, people were given the opportunity to voice their support or opposition to the bill. The vast majority opposed it, including the chief dental officer with Nevada Health Centers.
Cuts to Medicaid services will enhance the burden on a patient population that's already at a disadvantage in terms of access to care and affordability. Included in this budget reduction will be the loss of dental service for young adults and seniors. There are patients who've had their teeth removed and are in dire need of replacing these teeth with dentures and partial dentures. If these reductions apply to this group of patients, they will be in desperate need of regaining their ability to eat and maintain proper nutrition.
The Assembly first needs to vote and pass this bill, then the Senate, who could make adjustments. If the Senate does make changes, it will have to go back to the Assembly for another vote before it can go to the governor for a final signature. And keep in mind, the state is only cutting around $536 million from the budget in this bill. The deficit is $1.2 billion. That means the state may have to pass another bill with more budget cuts down the road, or, dare I say it, raise taxes to make up the difference. I'm Enzo Marino, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.